everyone. So for our hairstyle today, start off by taking two sections from the front and then tying it up at the back. Then twist the hair in on itself and then it should form two twists in the side. Now you will begin to braid the bottom half of the hair. Divide it into three sections and then continue to braid the hair. Make sure that it is neat and tightly put. Once you reach the bottom, you may tie it up with a rubber band and then fold it over and make it into a bun shape. Before you do this, however, loosen the hair. Use a 4-pronged pin in order to keep the hair in place. Once again, set it with your fingers. For our next hairstyle, start off by taking two sections from the front of the hair. Then taking a U-pin, pull a rubber band through it. Once you pull it through, the hair should be twisted as such. Then take one section from the back of the hair and then, once again using the U-pin, along with the rubber band, pull it through the other side of the twist. Now, once it is on the right side, begin to braid the hair as such. Once you have finished braiding the hair, insert the braided hair into the left side. This will make it look like a bun, and after this, you may add a decorative clip to it. For our next hairdo, start off by taking two sections from the front of the hair and then tying it at the back. Once you do this, reverse the hair in on itself so that the sides twist as such. Then divide the back into two portions. Starting off with the right side, begin to braid the hair. Add a rubber band at the bottom once you are done. Now repeat the same process on the other side wherein you braid it. Once you finish braiding both the sides, insert the right braid into the left twist and insert the left braid into the right twist. If there is a remaining portion, proceed to interchange and then twist the hair in as such. For the leftover hair, tie it up at the bottom and then insert it underneath. Add a decorative clip. For our next hairdo, start off by taking two sections from the front and then joining it at the back. Make sure that it is neat by combing it into place and then use a rubber band to make sure that it stays put. Once you do this, twist the hair in on itself so that the sides of the rubber bands form two twists as such. Then comb the hair together into a ponytail. Make sure that this ponytail is more left oriented. Now roll this ponytail up into the form of a bun and then insert it into the right twist. Add a decorative clip to make it look better. Thank you for watching.